Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into what makes a great survival learning experience and how you can maximize your survival skills in any situation. Whether you're out in the woods or in an urban emergency, knowing how to adapt and learn effectively can be the difference between making it out or not. Let's break down practical strategies and insights that will sharpen your instincts and improve your odds in challenging scenarios. The best learning doesn't always happen indoors. When it comes to survival, nature itself is your most realistic classroom. Training in real, outdoor environments builds the muscle memory you need for high-pressure situations. This means practicing skills like building a shelter, foraging for food, or starting a fire in the actual places you might find yourself needing them. One of the most important things to understand is that every setting comes with its unique challenges. Are you preparing for wilderness survival? Or are you more focused on urban disaster readiness? Adapt your training to fit the context. For example, practice water purification and shelter building in a forest, but test your quick escape plans and emergency routes in a city. Survival skills are best learned by doing. Book knowledge alone won't cut it when you need to act fast. Get your hands dirty by practicing essential tasks like tying knots, purifying water with basic tools, or using a compass for navigation. These hands-on activities reinforce learning and ensure you're ready when it counts. Training with a group has huge benefits. It allows you to pick up different techniques, observe how others approach challenges, and build essential teamwork skills. However, don't overlook solo practice. Surviving alone requires self-reliance and problem-solving without external support. Make sure to balance both types of training to be versatile in any survival scenario. Simulations are one of the most effective ways to prepare mentally and physically. For example, create timed drills where you simulate emergency evacuations, practice creating a fire in under 5 minutes, or navigate unfamiliar terrain without digital aids. These drills build confidence and help you respond calmly under pressure. So, to recap, here's what we've covered today. Train in realistic, natural environments to develop genuine survival skills. Tailor your learning based on whether you're preparing for the wilderness or urban settings. Get hands-on practice to build muscle memory. Balance group training with solo challenges for comprehensive skill development. Simulate real scenarios to test and refine your survival responses. Remember, preparation is key to thriving in an emergency. Start by picking one skill to practice this week. Maybe it's building a basic shelter or creating a fire without matches. And if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical survival insights. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.